Hello everyone, it's Crystal. I hope everyone is doing well today. I have been having a busy delivery day. Earlier, UPS delivered a package from Stampin' Up, an order that I made. It includes prizes that I plan to offer for next week for my workshop. And today, right now, my paper pumpkin is here. This is January 2021. As you may know, I order 2 paper pumpkins every month. One is for me to use and the other is for me to bless someone with. I think everyone needs a creative outlet, so this is my way of helping people find a way to express themselves creatively. So this one will be given away. This is the one I will keep. And we have our box. Looks like cherry cobbler. We have some pink dots here. So we have the little love boxes add-on. I actually bought my add-on. So I bought 2. Here's one. I opened the other one. I ordered these add-ons on January 1st. They came sometime last weekend. So this is the box. You can make 20 boxes and the die cut labels. So that's the add-on, but you can only be a Paper Pumpkin subscriber to get the add-on. So that's advertising for that. The ink spot is Poppy Parade. We have some ribbon here. Looks like it's black. Our stamp set. We have a heart made of smaller hearts. XOXO, Be Mine, Love You, Sending Love Your Way. There's our snail. There's some hearts and some stars, little confetti. And that says, Hi Valentine. So we have a nice stamp set. Then we have our, it's always wrapped in the tissue paper. And this is our paper pumpkin kit. Sending hearts. These are the instructions. We have enough supplies to make 8 cards. First, I will look at the instructions to see what the coordinating colors are. This is in every paper pumpkin. You have your instructions right here, black and white, usually only 4, maybe 6 steps, clear instructions. And on the back, what the kit includes, and the coordinating colors, and some extra projects if you want to expand your kit. So our coordinating colors for January 2021 are basic black, gold foil, petal pink, poppy parade, smoky slate, and white. So have that. This, I usually keep this chipboard. We have some mini glue dots here. Stampin' Dimensionals, of course, always. We have some hearts, epoxy hearts. They look like they're blushing bride. There we go. So we have a sheet of the epoxy hearts and some little petals here. Very nice. Now, we have Poppy Parade envelopes. They're not lined, but we have our 8 envelopes. Poppy Parade. Have some panels. This is a heart you can stamp on. Another heart. 4 of these hearts. And then you have the mailbox. And we have 4 of those as well. And then we have our card bases. This is Poppy Parade in white. And then we have our petal pink and white diagonal stripes. 4 of those as well. Something we can stamp on. We have the love. These pop out. You could decorate our cards with these. These are some black. These are some white. You can stamp on that. Then the love pops out. And these are some banners that can be stamped on as well. So that is our kit. Would be a great kit for some children. Make some quick cards to share. If they're going to school, they can share it with their classmates. They can share it with their siblings. And then we have this black ribbon. So if you have any questions about the kit, if you want to become a subscriber, please contact me. If you have any questions about coordinating colors or any other projects you can make with this kit, please let me know. Thank you for watching. Happy crafting.